Hey guys, welcome to the King of Aviation. In this video, we can see the superb overhead landing of the large Antonov and 124 cargo airplane. Here is how airplane landing looks from a thermal imaging camera. Wow, it's superb! In this video, the fighter jet's flying in a Christmas tree formation to celebrate Christmas. This airplane is flying through the red sandstorm. Here is the amazing stunt performed by a fighter jet. Wow, he did it. It's very risky though. In this video, the airplane rises from his nose due to improper loading. In this video, the airplane crashed in the water. After some time, the airplane engine starts without the pilot due to not being shut down. Here, the small airplane is landing on a rough surface on a hill. When you have your airplane, you can almost go anywhere. That's superb. Here is the time lapse of cargo loading into the airplane from the nose door.